Welcome to Lesson 2 of our English Grammar series. In this lesson, we are going to learn the present continuous tense. This is one of the most commonly used tenses in everyday English. We use it when we talk about actions that are happening right now, at this very moment. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to form positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions using the present continuous tense. So let us get started. So what exactly is the present continuous tense? We use this tense when something is happening now, or at this very moment. We also use it to talk about ongoing actions and temporary actions. For example, I am drinking coffee. She is reading a book. They are listening to music. Notice how each sentence describes an action that is in progress right now. That is the key idea behind the present continuous tense. Now, let us look at the structure of the present continuous tense. The formula is simple. Subject plus am, is or are, plus the verb with ing, plus the object. Here is how you choose the right helper verb. With I, we always use am. For example, I am drinking coffee. With you, we, and they, we use are. For example, you are drinking coffee. With he, she, and it, we use is. For example, he is drinking coffee. This is very important to remember. Am goes with I. Is goes with he, she, and it. Are goes with he, we, and they. Now, how do you know when to use the present continuous tense? There are some signal words, or clue words, that help you identify this tense. These words include now, right now, at present, presently, at the moment, today, nowadays, these days, this month, just, still, for the time being, and currently. When you see any of these words in a sentence, it is a strong hint that the present continuous tense should be used. For example, I am reading a book right now. She is cooking dinner at the moment. They are studying hard nowadays. He is still working on the project. Notice the signal words in each of these sentences. Let us now look at the first use of the present continuous tense. Use number 1 is for actions that are happening right now, at this very moment. Here are some examples. I am drinking coffee at a cafe right now. I am writing a leave letter to my teacher. I am watching a movie on TV right now. I am doing my homework now. She is having breakfast at the moment. He is listening to Hindi songs online. They are looking for jobs in Chennai. We are learning spoken English at present. All of these actions are happening right now, in the present moment. Use number 2 is for longer actions that are in progress. Sometimes, we use the present continuous tense for actions that are ongoing over a longer period. These actions might not be happening at this exact second, but they are still in progress. For example, I am studying B.Tech now. This does not mean I am studying at this exact moment. It means I am currently a B.Tech student. Another example, I am working in a bank now. This means my current job is at a bank. And Diambe, he is teaching at the university now. This means his ongoing job is teaching at the university. So remember, the present continuous can describe longer ongoing situations too. Use number 3 is a very interesting one. We can actually use the present continuous tense to talk about future actions that are already planned or arranged. For example, I'm coming to Chennai tomorrow. I'm going to the party tonight. He is buying a new mobile tomorrow. I'm leaving for Delhi tomorrow morning. I'm flying to the USA tomorrow morning. Notice that these sentences talk about the future, but we are using the present continuous tense because these actions are already planned and arranged. Use number 4 is a special one. We use the present continuous tense with the word always or constantly to express annoyance or frustration about repeated actions. For example, she is always shouting at me. This shows that the speaker is annoyed by the shouting. He is constantly calling me. Again, this shows frustration. He is always complaining about me. I am always losing my house keys. I am always fighting with my brother. In all these examples, the word always with the present continuous shows that the action happens repeatedly, and usually the speaker is not happy about it. Now let us practice making positive or affirmative sentences. With I, we use am. I am reading the newspaper. I am having breakfast at the moment. I am learning spoken English. I am looking for a job in Chennai. With you, we use are. You are learning English hard. You are doing your homework. You are leaving for Delhi tomorrow. With he and she, we use is. He is drinking coffee right now. She is writing a leave letter. He is listening to songs online. With we and they, we use are. We are watching a movie now. They are having breakfast. They are looking for jobs. Practice making your own positive sentences with each of these subjects. Now let us learn how to make negative sentences using the present continuous tense. The structure is simple. Subject plus am not, is not, or are not, plus the verb with ing plus the object. We can also use contractions. Is not becomes isn't. Are not becomes aren't. Am not becomes very jackem, not. Here are some examples. With I we say, I am not reading the newspaper now. I am not having breakfast at the moment. I am not watching a movie on TV right now. With he and she, we say, he isn't drinking coffee right now. She isn't leaving for Delhi tomorrow. He isn't looking for a job currently. With you, we and they, we say, you aren't doing your homework now. We aren't listening to songs online. They aren't studying in class 10. Practice these negative sentences with different verbs. Now let us learn how to form questions using the present continuous tense. For yes or no questions, we move the helper verb to the front of the sentence. The structure becomes am, is, or are, plus the subject, plus the verb with ing, plus the object and then a question mark. With I, we say, am I leaving for Delhi tomorrow morning? Am I talking to Mr. John on the phone? With you, we say, are you reading the newspaper now? Are you having breakfast at the moment? Are you learning spoken English? With he and she, we say, is he drinking coffee right now? Is she writing a leave letter? With it, we and they, we say, is it playing with the ball now? Are we watching a movie now? Are they learning English? Notice how the helper verb comes before the subject in questions. We can also form negative questions using the present continuous tense. The structure uses the contracted negative form. Isn't or aren't, plus the subject, plus the verb with ing, plus the object and a question mark. Here are some examples. Aren't I leaving for Delhi tomorrow morning? Aren't you reading the newspaper now? Isn't he drinking coffee at a cafe right now? Isn't she learning spoken English at present? Isn't it playing with the ball now? Aren't we watching a movie on TV right now? Aren't they doing their homework now? Aren't they listening to Hindi songs online? These questions expect a yes or no answer, and they usually imply surprise or confirmation. Now let us learn how to ask WH questions using the present continuous tense. WH questions use question words like what, when, where, who, and why. The structure is WH word plus am, is, or are, plus the subject, plus the verb with ing, plus a question mark. With what, we can ask, what work are you doing right now? What hotel are they staying at now? With when, we ask, when are you leaving for Mumbai? When is he leaving for Mumbai? With where, we ask, where are you working at the moment? Where is your brother working? With who, we ask, who is driving your car now? Who is coming to dinner tonight? And with why, we ask, why are you laughing at me? Why aren't they playing tennis now? Practice forming your own WH questions with different verbs. Here are some commonly used sentences in daily life using the present continuous tense. I am eating a banana now. I am cooking chicken biryani today. I am getting ready for college now. I am coming to see you tomorrow. I am searching for my wallet now. I am driving to Chennai tomorrow. I am cleaning my room at the moment. I am cutting vegetables right now. I am buying a new car next week. I am just kidding you. I am preparing for my final exams. I am packing my luggage now. I am waiting for my exam results. I am improving my English day by day. I am trying to fix my computer now. I am going to the dentist tomorrow. These are everyday sentences that you can start using right away in your conversations. Here are some miscellaneous sentences organized by category. For weather and nature, we can say, it is raining heavily in Bengaluru now. The wind is blowing strongly here now. It is getting dark outside right now. For changes and progress, we say, my English is getting better and better. My health is improving little by little. Petrol price is increasing day by day. For animals and things, we say, the dogs are barking outside now. The cows are grazing in the field now. My mobile phone is working well now. For transport and movement, we say, the train is leaving the station now. The train is arriving at platform 6. The circus is coming to the city next month. Notice how the present continuous tense can be used in so many different situations. Let us now quickly summarize everything we have learned in this lesson. The present continuous tense has four main uses. Use 1. For actions happening right now. For example, I'm reading a book right now. Use 2. For longer actions that are in progress. For example, I'm studying B.Tech now. Use 3. For arranged future actions. For example, I'm coming to Chennai tomorrow. Use 4. For annoying repeated actions, with the word always. For example, she is always shouting at me. Here is an important practice tip. Take the verbs from this lesson and practice making sentences with all the subjects. Use I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Also practice making negative sentences and questions with those same verbs. The more you practice, the more natural this tense will become for you. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.